In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do different types of hair paddings for different bridal hairstyle. If this is what you're interested in, this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Louis. I hope everyone is doing great out there. So today's video is a highly requested video, and in it I'll be showing you how to do hair paddings for different hairstyles. And also in this video I'll be showing you guys different hairstyles that this hair paddings can be used for. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends because you know sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So guys, let's get into work. So guys, before we start, I'm going to show you guys what we'll be using for today's video. First, we need our needle, then secondly, the donut ball, then our wig cap, then our scissors, then also our thread, and then an invisible net, then the kinky extension. So you can use your attachment in place of the kinky extension. So now I'm going to pass my thread through my needle and then cut my extension and start making the bun. So for the round shape padding, I'm going to cut out my kinky extension and then shred it. So I'm going to cut out a piece of the donut ball and then stuff it inside. Then after that I'm going to stitch it with my thread, and that's it for the round or the oval shaped pattern. So now we're done with this one, so we're going to move on to the next one. So let's say you can find this donut ball. So all you need to do to achieve this same type of padding is get your kinky extension and an invisible net. So all you need to do is shred it and then stuff it into the invisible net. So after that you can go on and tie it and also stitch it so it can stay in firmly. So that's it for this other one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell. So guys, we'll be using our socks cap and the kinky extension to achieve the same type of hair padding. So all I need to do now is take out one of the socks cap and then stretch it. So after that I'm going to like shred the extension and then stuff it into it and stitch it. So that's it for this kind of hair paddings. These hair paddings can actually be used to do different hairstyles, like different updos. So I'm going to leave some videos here so you guys can also see the type of hairstyles that this hair patterns can be used for. Are you having problems finding bigger sized bun? This is an easy step to achieve a bigger size when you can find a big one in the market. So all I do is take out the thread from one of the bun and then wrap it through the other one. So I keep going until I am able to achieve the size I want. So you can do as many as possible depending on how big you want your updo to be. So we're still on improvising. So I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful donut ball using the U-shaped padding. So all you need to do is get the U-shaped padding and then put the two ends together and stitch it with your needle and thread, and that's it, guys. And I'll also leave a video just after this one so you guys can see the style of hair you can actually use this paddings to make. So now moving on to the U-shaped padding. So I'm going to cut my kinky into two and then shred it. So after that, I'm going to get my socks cap and then stuff it into it. So after that, I'm going to like stitch the openings, and that's it for this particular style of the U-shaped bun. So now for the next one, we're going to cut out our donut ball and then put it on a surface. So I'm going to get a fresh one and then split it into two. So now I'm going to use the second one, just as seen in the video, and then roll it up into the one I cut out before and then stitch it. So that's it for this. So this last one is really simple. You can just loosen the donut ball and then attach it to the hair and then make your curls. Hi guys, welcome back once again. I hope this video was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please don't forget to do that before you leave, and also give this video a thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know sharing is caring. So is there anything you want to see here on my channel? You can leave it in the comments below so we can all treat it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.